This module will cover the following: confidentiality, privacy and security, taxation obligations and GST, NDA and MIMS, email and Skype accounts, headsets and foot pedals, IT support. The contractor agreement that you have signed requires you to maintain the confidentiality, privacy and security of company information always. Confidentiality is a major part of your role as an MT. Please note that it is a severe breach of contract if confidentiality, privacy and security of information is not maintained. Everything you hear and read is to be kept strictly confidential. Do not share this information with family or friends. Under no circumstances whatsoever are you permitted to contact clients, hospitals or doctors that you are typing for. You also must not back up any files nor keep, for any reason, any printed or electronic files related to a transcription. To maintain privacy, you need to ensure that your audio cannot be heard by anyone else and that your monitor is not on display. It is most preferable to have your own dedicated work computer that is not shared with anyone else. You must ensure all confidential information is protected from malicious software, and as such, your computer must have installed suitable and up-to-date antivirus protection. If you have any concerns, please contact your team leader. Australian MTs are required to have an Australian business number, ABN, for taxation purposes. An ABN can be applied for online via the abr.gov.au website. International MTs do not need an ABN and are not required to register for GST, as you do not pay any income tax to Australia. However, you are responsible for meeting the income tax obligations in your own country. Please check with your taxation department or tax agent to ensure you are allocating enough tax. Additionally, for any work-related expenses you incur, your taxation department or tax agent will be able to advise you on the allowable deductions that you can claim as a home-based contractor. Annual subscriptions to 2 online resources, Medical Directory of Australia, MDA, and MIMS, will be required upon promotion to Senior MT. MDA lists 99% of doctors' health facilities in Australia. MIMS is an online reference of drug names and pharmaceuticals. These resources are provided to you at no charge during your intern and junior training. We have negotiated a bulk discount rate for both resources. Please see MT Help for more information on MDA and MIMS subscriptions. As mentioned in your training pack, you will need to set up a new email address which will be used for all work-related correspondence. Further information regarding setting up a dedicated email address is covered in the next module. Skype is the main method of communication between yourself and your team leader, mentor and team. You will need a dedicated work Skype account separate from a personal account for your work with us. Further information regarding installing Skype and setting up a dedicated account is covered in the next module. Apart from your computer, your headset is the most important piece of equipment for your work as an MT. A high-quality headset is well worth the investment. To maintain confidentiality and maximise sound quality, it must be plugged directly into your computer. Foot pedals are compatible with the Inscribe typing platform and you are welcome to use one. However, you may find it easier to use the function keys or the hotkeys on your keyboard, as they will enable you to continue with the flow of typing. Foot pedals may be purchased from the medical transcription equipment provider Dictran at your own cost. Please refer to www.dictran.com. We do not provide support for the use of foot pedals, therefore all assistance in their setup and ongoing use would need to be sourced directly from Dictran or your own IT support person. Additionally, Officeworks in Australia is another possible source for purchasing foot pedals should you really want to use one. You will need to have access to experienced and reliable IT support for any computer or internet connection issues. Our technical support team will assist you with any Inscribe-related issues. However, as they are incredibly busy, we ask that you are patient when seeking their assistance. For Inscribe-related issues, contact your mentor or team leader initially. If they are unable to assist you, contact our tech support team via email, support@aussiescribe.com.au. Now please proceed to the next module.